We've just filled out the inquiry form for an education loan on Propelld.com. And now you're wondering what happens next. Where does your application go? Who looks at it? When will you hear back? And how soon can your fees be paid? Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the entire behind the scenes journey from inquiry to final disbursal and explain how Propelld makes the process faster, more transparent, and more student first compared to banks and other lenders. So every time a student like you fills out a form on the Propelld website or a partner college page, your inquiry flows directly into Propelld's internal CRM dashboard. This dashboard helps our team track and manage every single application. No leads get lost. The system is built to ensure real students get real help faster. Your inquiry is assigned either automatically or manually to a dedicated education loan advisor based on your course, religion, and loan request type. Once assigned, your advisor reaches out, usually within 24 hours. This isn't a spammy sales call. It's a genuine one-to-one conversation to understand your needs and explain the Propelld's offerings. You will learn about interest rates, eligibility, moratorium options, and more. If you're ready to move ahead, your loan journey officially begins now. After the call, you'll receive a WhatsApp message with a curated education loan content playlist designed to help you understand the process better and protect yourself from misinformation. We begin by completing KYC for you or your co-borrower. Next, you'll upload your income details and academic documents on your application dashboard. Once submitted, your profile enters the application created stage. That's when our credit team begins evaluating it. Propelld processes loans through its fully owned subsidiary, Agro Finance Private Limited (AFPL), which is an RBI registered NBFC. So your loan is fully regulated and RBI compliant. Our credit team reviews your documents to assess KYC, academic record, income potential, and co-applicant strength if applicable. If needed, they may request additional documents like bank statements, ITRs, admission letters, or fee structures. If your loan is above 7.5 lakh rupees, a quick field verification is also conducted to confirm your residence and documents. Once verified, your file moves to the final review stage. If approved, we'll walk you through your sanctioned amount, proposed interest rates, EMI time, and tenure as well. If you're happy with the offer, we proceed it. If not, no worries, no hidden charges, no pressure as well. And if your college isn't finalized yet, we'll wait up to 3 months so you can confirm your admission when you are ready. Behind the scenes, our finance and risk teams map your college and course to ensure the funds go to the right place faster. Once that's done, your sanction letter is auto-generated and shared via an email ID. Just click on the view application to complete the final steps securely and digitally. Through the application link, you e-sign the agreement, set up the auto-debit via e-mandate, complete video KYC, pay the one-time processing fee. Once completed, your loan is marked ready for disbursal. Our team does final call just to confirm everything. Then our finance team disperses the funds directly to your institute's verified bank account. If you found this useful, subscribe now and turn on the notifications as well. Check out the full series where we have covered eligibility, credit scores, repayment, and much more, so you don't miss answers to the questions you didn't even know you had. Ready to apply? Visit Propelld.com or connect with our support team for 1:1 guidance. Not ready yet? Save this playlist and come back when you are. We'll be right here.